Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another really cool DIY video. This video is a part of a challenge that is hosted by Decor. The lady's name is Jenny, and her co-host is Yvonne from Ginger Chick Rehab. I love both of those ladies. They have amazing channel. Jenny has she does lots of decor, then crafts, DIY, secondhand, thrifting, trash to treasure, just name it. And farmhouse, I love her farmhouse styles that she does on her channel. So, and Yvonne, her channel is, she is way above me. She does such an amazing job with her husband. They doing kind of like a furniture restoration on some of her videos that I have seen, and it's like, whoa. I was impressed how they turned the trash to real treasure. So, but if you don't know neither one of them, you need to go check it out. They have all kinds of cool stuff on their channels. Everything will be linked in the description below. But this theme of this challenge is Secondhand Farmhouse DIY Challenge. Secondhand, I don't know if you know, this is since I am from Europe, this is how we call in Europe Goodwill, thrifting. This is kind of that way because I was trying to explain to my brother what I'm doing, and he's like, so every time I use thrifting, he is not getting it, so I have to tell him it's from the secondhand store. Oh, okay. Anyway, this is the theme of the challenge. So if you would like to know what I have created for this challenge, and wait a minute, there was one little thing that we must have in the challenge. It's a farm animal. So it took me some time to think, but I remember what I have found in a thrift store, and it worked perfectly. So now, if you would like to know what I have created, please continue watching. Okay, so I spray paint my, I guess this is a pie plate, then the candle holder, and my cake holder, I guess from the Goodwill that I got, which is a secondhand store. And I taped with the painter's tape. So now I'm gonna take it off because I actually liked the balls, so I didn't want them to be spray painted. Then after that's done, I'm gonna do this on top of this, and that's on top of that. So we're gonna be gluing it together. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait until it dries. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. I got it all done. So now I have this greenery that I have it from some other projects left over, and I have this flowers here. I'm keeping the scraps for later, so it's from some project I had before. So I'm gonna decorate this bottom part kind of in this, and then we'll put flowers somewhere. Okay, so this is the bottom. I think it turned out amazing. I love it. So now the top tier, I'm gonna decorate with this. I got it at the Goodwill. I hope all the pieces are in there because the requirements were we gotta have some farm animals. So this is gonna go at the top. Okay, I have finished it. This is my little decoration that I made for my house. And here is my barn for my farm. The only thing I had, I don't know if you guys picked up in the video, I really had an issue with the roof. So probably that's why it's ended up in Goodwill. So I got tired of it and I hot glue it together, so it's permanent. I don't think it's going anywhere. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love how it turned out. Even my husband actually liked it because he's like, well, this is interesting, and he's like, I actually like it. So now I put it behind me as a decoration, and he's like, well, can we put it downstairs kind of on by the fireplace? There's a little cabinet we have. I'm like, sure, because I don't know. Farmhouse is not for everybody, but it's really growing on me. I do like more boho style and like coastal, but farmhouse is becoming kind of my favorite lately. Anyway, so this is what I have created. I really enjoyed the challenge. Thank you, girls, for the invite. That was fun to participate. And if you guys are new to my channel, please say hello or let me know that you're new so I can welcome you and tell you hello. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back and support me. And if you want to see more video from this challenge, there is a playlist link in the description below. There's lots of inspiration, lots of cool DIYers, crafters participating, so you just click on it and keep on watching. But from me, this is all for today. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye.